Hey there guys, in this course we will learn Python 3. Let's quickly see the introduction to Python. Python was invented in 1990, it was launched on 20th Feb 1991 and the labeled version was 0.9.0. Python was invented by the scientist named Guido van Rossum. The major Python releases till now are version 1, which was released in the year 1994, version 2, which was released in the year 2000, and version 3, which was released in the year 2008. Python 3 was entirely different from Python 2 with no backward compatibility. Backward compatible means you can't take a program that was written in Python 2 and run it in Python 3 interpreter. So if we have Python 3 installed in our machine and we have a code written in Python 2, then it won't run. It won't run. If this would run, then Python was backward compatible. Now, Python is a general purpose high-level language and it is used for making desktop applications. It is used in web development. It is used in IoT, machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, game development, networking, and many more. Python has the features of all the languages, like it is functional language, it is object-oriented language, it is scripting language, it is modular language. Also, it is open source, portable, and platform independent. We will see all these terms as we go through this course. Python is powerful, high-level language and has a variety of use, but still it has some limitations. It is slower than C and Fortran, and sometimes it gives performance issues. This is because of various features of Python like dynamic typing. It is interpreted rather than compiled. Its object model can lead to inefficient memory access. And also Python doesn't have built-in mobile development capabilities, but there are packages you can use to create mobile applications. There are 8 major implementations of Python. These are CPython, PyPy, Stackless Python, MicroPython, CircuitPython, IronPython, Jython, RustPython. In this course, we will see CPython.